Hi everyone. So today what I'm going to show you is something very useful, and it basically tells you how we can use labels and then pull all the mails that are of a specific label onto our Google Sheets. So let's begin. We are basically going to do these steps. Label your mails, run the script, have the mails on your sheet. You can do whatever you want. You can make entries later. You can have your ticketing system set up on the basis of this. Okay, there are a lot of applications, but in today's video I'll give you a basic, and you can use it the way you want. So let's begin. So now here I am on my Gmail, and what you can do is basically you can label it anyway. Of course, if you want, you can also use the automatic label filtration criteria. So let's say we have these 6 mails, okay, which have been sent from Canva. So probably I could have set up a filter which basically says from Canva, and then it would label them as, say, demo label. Okay, so once you have these labels, let's see what can be done. So now here we are on the sheet which has the application. Okay, and I'll show you one thing. I've written the name of the label in cell number T1. So you can also write whatever label name you have given on your mail. Write the exact label here in cell T1. Okay, and now let me just show you again. So there are 6 mails here. I'll come back to my sheet and simply click on bring labeled mails. Let's see what happens. When I click on this, see all the mails, okay, that were labeled. So this was the previous one. Okay, so we have them here, right? Okay, now let me show you the magic. This also tells us that what is the message count. Okay, how many times that has been, if that mail has been replied upon, etc, etc, right? So by default it also tells us that it will be sent the next day. So this was for bringing in the labels. There is another functionality of reply where it would keep replying or set up a draft reply for you so that it's easier for you to follow up. Now let me show you what I mean. Let's say I want that well done on your first design. The mail with that subject line should be followed up today itself. So I'll just type in 0.5, and you see this will move from 15th May to 14th May itself, because today is 14th May. This I want the follow up to start from tomorrow. For this, let's say I want it to start from today itself. So I can give 0.5 or 0.3, whatever, any value which is less than 1, right? So it tells me that the follow up for this would be done on 14th May. For this, it would be on 14th May. Let me put this as 0.2 or whatever value which is less than 1, which would again make the follow up for today, right? And at the same time, you also have access to that mail. So you can simply click on this, and okay, this mail opens up. So this is what the mail was about. Okay, so now let me run the script, and ideally this one and this one, okay, let me mark them with some color. These should be sent today, and the last sent mail timestamps should be filled up for these 3. And before we proceed, so let us do one more thing. Let us just type in whatever reply that we want in our draft email. So let me just type, hi, could you please unsubscribe me from your mailing list. Okay, whatever. So I would want some more details. Okay, so you can just type in whatever message you want to type. Okay, and this would be ready with your draft email. So I'll just copy paste now so that you know, just to explain how it works. So the ones that have been marked yellow should ideally give us a draft message. That's how it has been sent. I don't want you to send it right away. I want you to review it before sending. However, if you want, that can also be changed from the code. So now let me click on reply and let's see what happens. So there you see, okay, this one, and this one, the ones marked in yellow. Okay, the mails have been sent. The timestamps have been written here. Now let's come to the Gmail and see if actually the mails have been sent, or the drafts have been ready. You will come to the draft, and that's there. These mails are. Let's see. Okay, hi, I would want some more details. Yeah, I would want some more details, and I've also given the number of mails or replies that you have done. Okay, and I would want some more details. That's it. So you can just keep click on send and these would go. Now if you come back to the sheet, it also tells you that how many mails have been sent. Okay, sorry, how many mails have been sent here, and what is the number of mails in that specific thread. And of course the mails are here. You can just click, and initial date of sending the mail is this. Okay, the last date of sending the mail would be here. For example, for these, okay, if you run an auto trigger, then it would be 15th May. Or let's say you want to change the recurring mails to be for every 7 days. So when I click 7, okay, so the next mail would be sent on 21st May. So I've just written one formula, and that would be there in the sheet itself. Just remember that don't delete this cell when you are using the template. Okay, I'll mark it as mark it in this color. Just don't delete this cell. Everything else can be deleted. No worries, because this cell basically copies the formula from the previous cell. Yeah, so no worries. And there you go. That's it. And just remember to have the right label here. Okay, let me know how it is. I hope it's useful for you. Bye.